Hello guys, welcome to David's Handthing. I'm David, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys the best PC build specs under 80,000 in Nepal. So let's start. So the motherboard we are using in this PC build is the ASRock B40M motherboard, which is capable of providing the performance as well as the upgradability of GPU in future in the price point of 12,800 rupees. Now let's move on to the next component for the PC build. Now the cabinet we are using in this PC build is TechVia Nexus Evo GB ATX gaming case, which comes with 3 white fans and RGB strip. Now this cabinet is a very good cabinet to improve the look of your gaming PC as well as the decks. At the price point of 7,800 rupees. The next component is our processor. We are using a AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor, which is a desktop processor, and this processor will handle all of your gaming tasks, productive tasks, and as well as all the picture editing, video editing, and all the tasks very fluently. So you can consider this processor in your PC build. Now let's move on to the another component we are using in this PC build. So for the RAM, we are using a G-Skill Ripjaws V-Series 8GB RAM, which is a DDR4 RAM with 2800 MHz, and I tried to search a lot for 2800 MHz RAM in this price point, but I could not find it. So in the price point of 7,800, these RAMs are to be considered. Now let's move into the new item. So for the storage, we are using a Patroid 256GB PCIe Gen 3 into 4 NVMe SSD. This is the best SSD we could find in this price point of 7,280 rupees. Let's move to the new component, which is our power supply. So we are using a Gamdius Helios E1 580 plus power supply. This is a 500 watt power supply, and it is more than enough if you upgrade to a new GPU in future or for this current PC build. Now the next item we are using is the monitor. So the monitor we are using in this PC build is a Dahua 19-inch Full HD monitor, and this is the best monitor, which is a Full HD display that I could find in this price range of 9,000 rupees, as it is a Full HD monitor, and Full HD monitors are not so cheap.